Hello, everyone. Today, we are talking about feelings and emotions. Every day, we feel different things. Sometimes we feel great, and sometimes we feel not so great. It is important to know how to say these feelings in English. Right now, I feel happy. Why? Because the sun is shining and I am talking to you. I have a big smile on my face. When I am happy, I feel light and energetic. But earlier this morning, I felt a little sad. My favorite mug broke in the kitchen. I felt a bit down, but that's okay. Feelings change like the weather. Let's talk about high energy feelings. The first one is excited. I feel excited when something good is going to happen. For example, I'm excited about my vacation next month. When you are excited, your heart beats a little faster and you want to jump. The second one is proud. I feel proud when I do a good job. Last week, I got an A on my English test. I felt very proud of myself. My parents were proud too. The third one is surprised. I feel surprised when something happens that I didn't expect. Like when a friend gives me a gift for no reason. Oh, wow, that is a surprise. Do you like surprises? Now, let's look at low energy feelings. These feelings make us want to sit down and be quiet. First, we have bored. I feel bored when I have nothing to do. For example, when I'm waiting for the bus and my phone has no battery. Time moves very slowly when you are bored. Next is tired. This is common on Mondays. I feel tired after a long day at school. My body feels heavy and I want to sleep. Finally, there is lonely. Sometimes, if my friends are busy and I am home alone, I feel lonely. I want to talk to someone. When you feel lonely, it helps to call a friend or a family member. It can make you feel better quickly. Sometimes we have strong feelings. One strong feeling is angry. I feel angry when something is unfair. For example, if someone is mean to my dog, Max, I get very angry. My face gets red and I speak loudly. Another one is nervous or anxious. I feel nervous before a big presentation or a test. My stomach feels funny. We call this butterflies in your stomach. It's a funny idiom, isn't it? The last one is embarrassed. I feel embarrassed when I make a mistake in front of people. For example, if I trip and fall in the school hallway. My face turns very red. Have you ever felt embarrassed? Don't worry, everyone makes mistakes. We learned many words today. Let's review. Happy and sad. Excited, proud, and surprised. Bored, tired, and lonely. Angry, nervous, and embarrassed. It's okay to feel all of these things. No one is happy 100% of the time. The most important thing is to be kind to yourself and others. Now, I have a question for you. How do you feel right now? Please use the word because in your answer. Example: I feel happy because I am learning English. Write your answer in the comments. I will read them all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye!